Edo State Market Women Association under Madam Blackie Ogiame leadership don't come out for one we no go gree waka atop the plan to inaugurate Pastor Mrs. Josephine Ivagwazele as the Iyaloja of Edo Market Women. The we no go gree waka shele for King Square and Oba Market, and the aim na to reject wetin dem see as illegal arrangement wey Chief Mrs. Folashade Tinubu Ojo, the Iyaloja of Lagos State, dey plan. Madam Blackie Ogiame Konyan say na she be the real chairman of Market Women Association for Edo State based on old tradition and law wey guide how dem dey choose leaders for the association. She con clear am say the position of leadership among market women for Edo State no be political matter, but dey follow their internal rules wey talk say leadership fit change only when the person wey dey office kpai. She con still clear am say dem no dey do politics, but dem don support different governments wey don come from Chief John Odige Oyegu time reach Governor Obaseki wey dey power now. She con still talk say
we've been in this association for years, 50-something years. We dey exist. We never see any challenge. Barely 1 week now, we come here say, then one come. Tinubu daughter one come inaugurate person. For in Lagos State, nobody they go there. So for Edo State, she know me. Me know her, we dey go there. That time, we dey go there do meeting for there. But few months now, we don't hear say he want to put another person. We not go agree. Make it only Lagos State. Me not go come here. I don't go Lagos State now. Go impose person there. So now me, now I get Edo State Market Women Association. If he say he wants me, make it come tell me. Bring Market Women, I go say, oh yeah. Make una follow, but this one we want to do so we not go take her. We not go take her from her because politics they come, they go. We remain inside market because person don't fit go meet for national day Tinubu, make it go put person for Lagos State. You know possible. So that's why you not still work because now about Bini, now he get us for here. Now he get market. Now he be our grandfather. Now governor, any governor when he come, now he be our small papa. Even Oshobole be our papa before. Lucky Benedict be our papa.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.